Okay, so this is the last week of material that's going to be new and posted onto Canvas. The last few weeks of the year will be some old review problematics and blend spaces. So here we go with the warm-up. It says two angles are complementary. If the first angle measures 22 degrees, what is the measure of the second angle? Well, the first thing, and really most important, is that these are complementary angles. And a complementary angle means it has an angle sum of 90 degrees. So if one angle measures 22 degrees, what is a measure of the second angle? So we can call this any variable we want. We don't know what it is, but we do know that if we combine this 22-degree angle and that unknown angle, it'll give us 90 because they're complementary. So this is just a one-step equation. You're going to take 22 away from each side, and you're going to get an answer of 68. Number two, in a bag, there are 3 white marbles, 2 striped marbles, 1 blue marble, and 4 red marbles. What is the probability a person chooses a white marble, puts it back, and then chooses a red marble? So we're looking at more than one event here. The first event is the probability of choosing a white marble, putting it back, that's important, and then the probability of choosing a red marble. So we need to find each individual probability and then multiply those two probabilities because we're talking about more than one event. Well, a white marble, there are 3 white marbles. I label those with the W's. There are 10 total marbles. So I pick a white marble out, I put it back, and then I get a red marble. So because I put it back, there are still 10 total marbles in there. 4 of them are red. So there's a 12 out of 100, which is a 12% chance that you'll be able to reach in, get a white marble, put it back, reach in, and get a red marble. So that's pretty unlikely to happen. Number 3 is a two-step equation. We've solved hundreds of these this year. We're trying to determine what the variable is worth. First thing we're going to do is take 7 away from both sides. So we have negative 3x equals 21. Then we're going to divide each side by negative 3. X is negative 7. And number 4, we haven't done circles in a little while here, so we're going to take one in the warm-up today and tomorrow. It says, what is the circumference of a circle with a radius of 5? Well, the radius starts at the center and goes out to 1 point, like the spoke on a bicycle wheel. So if the radius is 5, that makes the diameter 10. Once you have the radius and diameter, you can do anything with circles. In this case, it wants circumference. Well, circumference equals pi times diameter. So if you had a calculator, you'd type in 3.14 times 10. If you didn't have a calculator and you needed to kind of estimate it, you can just use 3 and do 10 times 3, which is 30. But if you were to actually use 3.14, it would give you a circumference of 31.4 centimeters.